How to extract a RAR file. How to compress a file with the RAR application. How do I split a file into multiple parts to make it easier to send to others?
Hey guys, welcome to Freephone Camp channel. Well, before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Step 1. Type RAR in the Google Play Store search. Step 2. Download this app. Step 3. Open the RAR app.
Compression.
Step 4. Select the desired folder. Step 5. Compress the desired file and reduce its size. Choose a name here. Set a password here, but this option is optional and is mostly for more important files. Step 6. Click OK.
Extraction.
Step 1. Select and extract the desired file. Step 2. If the file is encrypted, enter the password here.
Multi-party compression.
Step 1. Start compression. Step 2. Choose a password and name for it. Step 3. Click on Advanced. Step 4. Volume size. Specify the volume size of each partition. Step 5. Click OK. Step 6. If you want to extract several related files, you must select them all and start extracting. If you would like to learn how different applications work, click on the link above. Well, this part is over. If you like this type of content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I won't take up your time again. Goodbye.